Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen and Home Review. In this video, we review the 10 viral Temu kitchen gadgets you must see in 2025 that make cooking faster, easier, and smarter. Backhand index pointing right if you enjoy product reviews and Amazon finds. Make sure to subscribe for more. So let's start. Oil sprayer. Lifetime assurance. We stand behind the quality of our olive oil dispenser bottle. If you're unsatisfied or face any issues, contact us anytime. We offer lifetime support to ensure you're fully satisfied with this essential kitchen essential. Dual dispensing. This 2-in-1 oil dispenser and oil sprayer allows you to spray or pour with ease. It's a versatile oil dispenser bottle spray and pour solution, keeping your kitchen organized and efficient. Precision spray nozzle. The olive oil spray bottle features a nozzle that delivers a fine mist or steady stream, offering precise control. It's perfect for drizzling or spraying, making it an essential oil bottles for kitchen. Control oil intake. Each spray dispenses 0.15 g of oil, helping you manage your daily intake. This cooking oil sprayer is designed for healthier, more controlled cooking with minimal waste. Oil sprayer. Lifetime assurance. We stand behind the quality of our olive oil dispenser bottle. If you're unsatisfied or face any issues, contact us anytime. We offer lifetime support to ensure you're fully satisfied with this essential kitchen essential. Dual dispensing. This 2-in-1 oil dispenser and oil sprayer allows you to spray or pour with ease. It's a versatile oil dispenser bottle spray and pour solution, keeping your kitchen organized and efficient. Precision spray nozzle. The olive oil spray bottle features a nozzle that delivers a fine mist or steady stream, offering precise control. It's perfect for drizzling or spraying, making it an essential oil bottles for kitchen. Control oil intake. Each spray dispenses 0.15 g of oil, helping you manage your daily intake. This cooking oil sprayer is designed for healthier, more controlled cooking with minimal waste. Mesh strainers. Stainless steel. Imported. Included. The Cuisinart set of strainers comes in 3 sizes from 3 to 1/8 inch, 5 to 1/2 inch, and 7 to 7/8 inch sizes. Used for. Excellent for sifting dry ingredients. Material. Made from durable stainless steel mesh. Easy to use. Easy to use and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Limited lifetime warranty. Refer to user manual for troubleshooting steps and questions surrounding warranty policies. This product is BPA free. Knife set. Multipurpose knife set. This kitchen knives set includes 8 chef knife, 8 slicing knife, 7 Santoka knife, 8 serrated bread knife, 5 utility knife, 3.5 paring knife, kitchen shears, and 6 PCS blade guards. Anti-rust coating. The healthy anti-rust coating protects the knife from oxidation and dishwasher safe, while the non-stick coating ensures the blades stay clean all day long. Easy to carry. Each knife comes with a blade guard for safe, compact storage in your kitchen cupboard. These knives are also easy to carry when camping or storing in your RV. Perfect holiday gift. Ideal for kitchen enthusiasts or new cooks, this knife set meets all cooking needs. It makes an excellent holiday gift for family, friends, lover, and colleague. Lifetime warranty. Every knife set is backed by rigorous quality inspection. We provide a lifetime warranty for every customer, ensuring superior customer service and peace of mind with every purchase. Kitchen shears. Premium stainless steel blades. Built to resist rust and maintain sharpness, these stainless steel blades easily cut through everyday kitchen items like vegetables, herbs, meat, and packaging with clean, precise cuts. Enhanced cutting performance. Featuring micro-serrated edges, the blades offer a superior grip on food and materials, minimizing slips for effortless, smooth cutting every time. Extra thick blades add strength and durability, ideal for frequent use. Soft, comfort grip handle. Designed for extended use, the handle provides a comfortable, secure grip with a soft, non-slip coating, reducing hand fatigue and ensuring control while cutting. Includes protective sheath. Comes with a convenient, sturdy plastic sheath to protect the blades when not in use, ensuring safety and blade longevity. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. While hand washing is recommended to maintain blade quality, these shears are dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleaning. Kitchen tongs set. Food-level stainless steel. The heavy-duty Hotech kitchen tongs built with stainless steel, sturdy, heat resistance, anti-rust, anti-corrosion, lightweight, easy to handle, like new forever. This tongs for cooking comes with a set of 2 standard 9 cooking tongs and large-sized 12 barbecue grill tongs. Food safe, carbon-free certified. Pull ring lock and unlock and hanging loop. This kitchen tongs set has locking mechanism. Pull the ring for lock and push for unlock, super easy operation. Hang them with the hanging loop after use or put in the drawer by pulling the ring to lock it, space saving. Engineering for safety. New design pattern for the handle, better protects your hands from cutting by the edge when you grip the handle. Easy to control the handle and to eliminate wobbling any risk of burning your hands. Kitchen tweezers. Durability material, easy on your hand. Jetcom kitchen tweezers are made of high-quality food-grade stainless steel, resistant to rust and corrosion, non-toxic, uncoated. Dishwasher safe. The thickened kitchen tweezers are very sturdy, tough, and durability, while remaining lightweight and easy to handle. Ergonomic design. Our cooking tweezers design with comfortable ergonomic shape, using a comfortable handle, long cooking tweezer to protect your movements. The tip blunt enough to be safe to touch or even press, and holds the food securely, minimizing the risk of food slipping and sliding. Multi-purpose usages. This tweezer tongs is great for kitchen, restaurants, buffets, weddings, parties, and more. Perfect for cooking, roasting, grabbing small objects, pharmacy purpose, pulling out hair, electrical repairing, crafting. Even the food tweezers can be used for feeding small animals, cleaning out a garden or fish tank, plant maintenance. Kitchen utensil holder. Thoughtfully sized, set of 2. Our utensil holder set includes 2 carefully proportioned holders for your kitchen accessories. The larger holder, measuring H7.3 x D6, is designed to comfortably store around 15 spatulas or utensils. The smaller holder, at H5.4 x D3.8, is suited for the organized arrangement of up to 10 sets of flatware. Say hello to a well-organized cooking space. Multifunctional utensil holder. These kitchen utensil holders do more than just store cooking utensils. They also double as elegant vases, offering a stylish home for hair tools like combs, and can seamlessly house coffee pods and stirrers on your bar countertop. Their versatility knows no bounds. Chic modern home decor. Our kitchen utensil organizer features a crisp, modern finish highlighted by vertical ribbed and fluted stripes. This stylish design seamlessly complements any kitchen decor, improving both your culinary efficiency and the overall ambience of your home. Measuring cup. Set includes 1 cup, 2 cup, and 4 cup angled measuring cups. Patented angled surface allows you to read measurements from above. Eliminates the need to fill, check, and adjust. Standard and metric measurement markings. Soft, comfortable, non-slip handle. Cup made of BPA-free and food-safe Tritan Renew, which is made from certified recycled content through a mass balance allocation process that transforms plastics destined for landfills into high-performance, food-safe materials. Meat chopper. Amazing meat chopper. Still struggling to chop and crumble meats when cooking? Kunson Meat Chopper features 5 beveled pinwheel blades, helping you chop and crumble food easier and faster, saving you time and effort. Its sturdy structure enables it to achieve more than 1,000 times quick chops, mixes, and mashes. Durable for long-lasting use. Easy to use. Grab the meat masher. Press 5 blades into the meat, stir slightly, and mash to the consistency you want. Use the angled blade to scrape any remaining meat from the sides of cookware. Then, you quickly get 1 dish of perfect ground meat. Much easier than using spatula or spoon. The ergonomic, non-slip grip makes chopping and mixing a breeze. Easy to clean. Our ground beef smasher is made of food-grade nylon that is non-stick, odorless, and BPA-free. It ensures that food particles don't get stuck, making cleaning up quick and easy. Simply put it in the dishwasher or wash it by hand with a little soap and water. Meat tenderizer. Texturized surface. One of the side surface is textured for optimum use on a variety of meats. Smooth side included. The opposite side of the meat tenderizer is smooth for pounding and flattening for cutlets. Aluminum construction. Aluminum construction provides a lightweight, strong, and durable tool for the kitchen. Multiple storage options. There is a hole in the ergonomic handle that gives you the option for convenient hanging storage. Easy care. Hand wash with warm water and a mild detergent. Rinse and dry immediately. Meat thermometer. Instant Read Food Thermometer. Our Instant Read Thermometer features a temperature probe and advanced, highly accurate technology with 2 to 3 seconds response time. Instructions: meat temperature chart, comes pre-calibrated for your convenience, and recalibrating feature if needed. Multi-use from barbecue thermometer to baking thermometer. Our digital food thermometer for cooking is perfect for meats, liquids, deep frying, and candy making. For air fryer, oven, grill, barbecue, griddle, smoker, kitchen, and outdoors. Easy Read Digital Thermometer for cooking. Large instant thermometer dial with bright blue backlight means you can always read the temperature, whether you are grilling in the dark or baking in your kitchen. Perfect must-have grilling accessory for kitchen essentials. Oil sprayer. Lifetime assurance. We stand behind the quality of our olive oil dispenser bottle. If you're unsatisfied or face any issues, contact us anytime. We offer lifetime support to ensure you're fully satisfied with this essential kitchen essential. Dual dispensing. This 2-in-1 oil dispenser and oil sprayer allows you to spray or pour with ease. It's a versatile oil dispenser bottle spray and pour solution, keeping your kitchen organized and efficient. Precision spray nozzle. The olive oil spray bottle features a nozzle that delivers a fine mist or steady stream, offering precise control. It's perfect for drizzling or spraying, making it an essential oil bottles for kitchen. Control oil intake. Each spray dispenses 0.15 g of oil, helping you manage your daily intake. This cooking oil sprayer is designed for healthier, more controlled cooking with minimal waste.